Let's learn cupcake theme birthday banner today, just as shown here. To start off with, we need to print the idea out on a rough paper to estimate the correct length and width for the banner. Next, we are printing out the parts of cupcake on the paper as shown. The cupcake mold on a pink chart paper and the cream on a white chart paper. Cut them in shape as shown. Here we are done giving the shapes. For letters, we have printed them on a blank paper and pasted it on a pink glitter paper as shown. We need to cut the letters also in shape. Now we have printed the cherries on a red chart paper and we need to cut them in shape. We are done with our cherries. We are ready with the parts of our cupcake banner. Now we just need to paste them according to the first planned image. We are ready with our first letter of the banner. Isn't it super cute? Next, we are taking white waste paper and punching out small white dots using a punching machine. These dots are needed for the cupcake mold as shown. And this is how the complete banner will look. For hanging the banner, we are making holes here using the punching machine. We will take a ribbon and join the banner. Always remember to start from the last letter of the banner. And here our super cute cupcake birthday banner is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.